Share them, tag them, tag your friends. Say, hey, wouldn't this feel great? Get on in here. Like our videos. Relax right in here for me. All right, we're going to get a little bit of adjustment here through C2. Excellent.
Geez.
Okay, good. Good movement. Okay. Right in here. Okay. All right.
Oh,
Excellent.
man.
All right.
Jeez.
Pretty tender in here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, relax right in here for me.
Alright. Oh.
Good. Relax right in here for me.
Oh.
Good.
Jeez.
Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale.
Oh.
Excellent. Good movement. All right. Okay, we're going to get some movement in here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale.
Oh.
Excellent. Okay. Very good. All right. Arm leg straight. Good. Very good. Right there. Let's go right here. All right. Good range of motion there. Let's try to get in here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There you go. Good. All right. Okay. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. Relax there for me. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Same thing here. All right. All right, man.